how to find followers and public content settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find followers and public content settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click followers and public content. And as you see here, you can manage follower and public content settings on Facebook Lite, and it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.